Most people get this wrong, and they waste hours going in circles through menus and automated bots. The truth is, reaching support at Walmart Inc. in 2026 is actually fast, but only if you use the right entry point. In this video, you'll learn the fastest ways to contact Walmart customer service, how to skip long wait times, and how to get real help without getting stuck in automated systems. Let's start with the quickest method most people miss. The fastest way is through the Walmart app or website. Go to your account, open Help, then select your recent order. Now tap Need More Help or Contact Us. This is important because Walmart prioritizes order-based issues first. If you start from a specific order, you skip most of the general queue. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people stop here and wait for email replies, but the real speed comes from choosing live chat instead of messaging. When the chat opens, don't just type your issue slowly. Use clear keywords like agent, live support, or return help. This often connects you to a human faster than staying with a bot. But here's the problem. If you contact support during peak hours like evenings or weekends, response times can be slower. So if your issue is not urgent, try early morning or midweek. Timing alone can cut your wait in half. Now let's talk about phone support. You can request a callback directly through the help section. This is useful for complex issues like refund disputes, delivery problems, or account access. Instead of waiting on hold, Walmart calls you back when an agent is available. In a minute, I'll show you a simple trick to make sure your issue gets solved faster on the first attempt. When you finally reach an agent, clarity matters more than emotion. Don't just say, "My order is wrong." Instead, say exactly what happened, your order number, and what resolution you want. For example, I received the wrong item in order number X, and I need a replacement or refund. Clear communication gets faster results. Another option many people forget is Walmart's social support channels. For urgent issues, public support messages can sometimes get faster responses than standard queues. To wrap it up, the fastest way to contact Walmart customer service in 2026 is simple. Start from your specific order. Use live chat with clear keywords. Choose callback when needed, and explain your issue clearly and directly. If this helped you save time or fix a problem faster, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides that actually make customer support easy.